Let us discuss the perfect square trinomial. The perfect square trinomial has the following formula. A squared plus or minus 2ab plus b squared. This is equal to a plus or minus b squared. So, i-apply natin to. Okay. For example, i-factor natin yung trinomial na to. X squared plus 6x plus 9. Ano ang factored form yan? Alright. So, kung ito ay perfect square trinomial, masusulat natin siya like this. And kung perfect square trinomial nga yan, ito yung factored form niya. So, madali kasi meron tayong pattern. The problem is, how do we know if this given quadratic trinomial is a perfect square trinomial? Well, ganito. So, una, kopyahin natin yung x squared dito. X squared. And then, yung pangatlong term, yung constant term, 9, express din natin siya as a square. So, 9 is equal to 3 squared. So, let's write here, plus, ulitin ko, plus 3 squared. Ngayon, yung x, siya yung supposedly a. Tapos yung 3 naman, siya yung b. Tapos yung middle term natin dito, ito yon, yung plus or minus 2ab. Alam natin ang a, alam natin ang b. And then ito, plus or minus, depende yan kung ano yung operation mo dito. At dahil plus to, plus ang gagamitin natin. So plus 2ab. So 2 times a, ang a nga natin is x, times b, b is 3. Ngayon, check mo to. 2 times x times 3 is 6x. So match naman siya dito. It means ito ay perfect square trinomial. Okay? At dahil perfect square trinomial yan, we can factor like this. So susundan natin yung pattern. The factored form is a, right here, a plus or minus b squared. Ang a natin is x, and then we will use plus kasi plus to. Plus b, b is 3, and then squared. Ayan na yung factored form. Okay, next problem tayo. Let us factor the following quadratic trinomial. Say we have x squared minus 4x plus 4. Applicable kaya rito yung perfect square trinomial? Let's check. We have x squared here, yung ating leading term. Tapos yung constant term ay 4. Express natin as a square. So that's 2 squared. Okay, sulat natin dito. Plus 2 squared. So ito yung a natin, x. Tapos yung b naman natin is 2. Okay? And then the middle term is 2ab. We will use minus. So minus 2 times a. Ang a nga natin is x. Tapos yung b natin is 2. And 2 times x times 2, that's 4x. So perfect square trinomial nga ito. So magagamit natin to. Therefore, the factored form is, dahil minus ito, minus ang gagamitin natin. So a, which is x, and then minus b, which is 2. X minus 2 squared. Next, let us factor y squared plus 12y plus 36. Okay, sulat natin y squared and then 36 expressed as a square is 6 squared. So sulat natin dito plus 6 squared. And then we have plus here kaya plus to. Tapos yung a natin dito is yung y while yung b is yung 6. Okay? And then yung middle term natin 2 times a times b. So 2 times a, ang a natin is y, times b, ang b natin is 6. 2 times y times 6 is 12y. So match naman siya. It means itong trinomial na to ay perfect square trinomial. So let's factor following the pattern. The factored form is a is y, and then plus b is 6, and then squared. Next, factor natin yung x squared minus 26x, and then say plus 169. Check natin kung perfect square trinomial. X squared, tapos yung constant term is 169. 169 is equal to 13 squared. Ito yung A natin, tapos ito yung B natin. Okay? And we have a minus here, kaya minus to. Tapos yung middle term, 2 times A times B. So 2 times A, ang A is X, times B, ang B is 13. Ngayon, 2 times X times 13 is 26X. So, ibig sabihin yan, perfect square trinomial to. Kaya magagamit natin yan. Therefore, the factored form is A is X, and then minus B is 13, and then squared. How about this one? Factor natin yung 4y squared plus 20y, and let's say plus 25. Okay. This time, may coefficient si y squared. But still, we can express that as a square. 4y squared is 2y squared, while 25 is 5 squared. Okay? So, plus 5 squared. Yung a natin is yung 2y, tapos yung b natin is yung 5. Alright? And then, we have a plus here, kaya plus din to. The middle term is 2ab. So, 2 times a, ang a natin is 2y, times b is 5. Ngayon, multiply natin to. 2 times 2y times 5 is 20y. So, match naman siya dito. Ibig sabihin, we can apply perfect square trinomial. Therefore, the factored form is this one. A is 2y, and then plus b is 5, and then squared. Let's try one more. So, factor natin to. Say we have 4x squared plus 12xy plus, say, we have 9y squared. Is this a perfect square trinomial? Dalawa na ang variable natin. Meron na tayong x, tapos meron din tayong y. But still, check natin. 4x squared, express natin as a square. So that's 2x and then squared. While 9y squared is equivalent to, so plus 3y squared. Okay? Ngayon, we have a plus here, so plus to. And then, a is 2x, while b is 3y. Ang middle term natin is 2ab. So, 2 times a is 2x, times b is 3y. Ngayon, check natin to. So, 2 times 2x is 4x, and 4x times 3y is 12xy. So, match naman siya dito. It means perfect square trinomial nga yan. Therefore, the factored form is a is 2x, and then plus b is 3y, and then squared.